What's going on, guys? We're in the kitchen, baby. Just got back from the gym. It's cooking time, baby. Today, we're getting down with bird's eye skillet meal, sweet and sour chicken. It comes with all kinds of stuff, like rice, pineapple, chicken, peppers, and onions, carrots. Very nice. We're gonna a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let me turn this thing on. It's not good, huh? Bam. Just a little bit more. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. A little bit of soy sauce. Oh yeah. Getting down in the kitchen, baby. I still got a pump. I just got back from the gym. Fucking look at those freaking arms, guys. Starting to get fucking ripped, man. Getting huge. I'm gonna go see. Look at that shit. Look at those freaking triceps, guys. Oh my god. Disgusting. Ah! Well, that's good. We have 3 A's. Let's see how. Oh man, I had a great workout today, guys. And now we're about to get down, baby. About to show you how I get down in the mother freaking kitchen. Sleepyhead, you're watching. I told you I was gonna make a video about me cooking. The thing that I told you. You know what I'm gonna cook? You're missing it. But it's gonna be great. I'm dying to see how it tastes. I'm sure it's great. 600. Waiting for this thing to heat up. I should have had it going, but whatever. Bear with me, guys. Okay, it's my first time cooking. Nah, really. Okay, go for it. Actually, I'm a better eater than I am a cooker. I eat better than I can cook. It's true, guys. I eat better than I can cook. Mm-hmm. Yeah, feeling good, guys. Got me an awesome workout, man. Awesome workout. Let me straighten this camera up a little bit, so you guys can get a good view of these huge arms. Yeah, I don't want you guys to miss it. To miss this huge biceps that are peeking out. Look like they're about to break out the skin, baby. Look at that. My babies. Yeah. Eating up real good. Get this thing open. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm about to show you guys how to get down, baby. We're about to make fly rice. Yeah, buddy. Ooh. Comes with like its own like sauce, like its own sauce, some kind of sauce. I don't know if I'll be having it, but looks pretty good. But it looks like it needs to be like defrosted a little bit. But yeah, it comes with its own sauce. Interesting. Yeah, that looks good. What do you do with that sauce? Stop and Shop T-bone steak is $8.99 per pound. Nabisco family size Oreo is buy one get one free, and Hot House peppers, navel, or Cara oranges are 88 cents each. Stop and Shop. Feed the moment. Tonight on ABC, President Trump said threats to the nation before a joint session of Congress. David Muir reporting tonight live on ABC. Tune in this Friday to see who's behind this mask. Guys, it's just me. You don't want to miss it. You're just in time for the triple top round.
Shouldn't be that bad. That's difficult.
Okay, put it on the board. The category is
I don't know about this sauce though. This sauce sometimes before cooking and microwave. Not sure if I'm gonna use this sauce. Looks weird. I'll probably just stick to the soy sauce. Alright guys, let's see. Yeah! I like the sound of that.
A well-oiled machine.
And you are on for you. Time for number 3. Here it is. Here's time machine. Everybody get $2,000. Playing it out. So we're gonna take a look at the next one. The category for this one is wine.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. You hear that? That's the sound of good food, baby. You see how it comes with everything? Chicken is still a little frozen, but it's okay. It'll defrost by itself. Pineapple, peppers.
Still very early. Oh, you just get to. I can guess. You can try to solve it.
I still got a whole bunch left. You can make a couple of meals out of this.
Noir. Ricky. T. Yeah, 3 T's. Here they come. So once that is clear, you have 3 seconds to try and solve. Here's now you can think about it. L. Yes, 2 L's. Kimberly.
N.
No N. Ricky, back to you. I. Worth no money, but there are 3. Here they come. Lion time. There's K. 2 K's. Here's.
Oh yeah.
I like salt. Right. Fake it till you make it. You got it. Just in time. Very close to coming into first place. $14,250. It was great to meet you. Thanks so much.
Wonder what the sauce was like. Now I'm kind of curious to find out if the sauce is pretty good or not. It comes with it for a reason. It comes with it. When I opened the big thing, it's the rice thing. It comes with 2. It just contains soy and wheat. It comes with two of these pouches of sauce. So it comes with its own sauce for a reason. It must be pretty good. You know? Only one way to find out, baby.
Do you always have trouble with your weight? Me too.
Discover the power of Wegovy. With Wegovy, I lost 35 pounds. And some lost over 46 pounds.
And I'm keeping the weight off.
Reducing my risk.
Wow, it smells really good.
Proven to reduce risk of major cardiovascular events such as death, heart attack, or stroke in adults with heart disease and obesity. Don't use Wegovy with semaglutide or GLP-1 medicines or in children under 12. Don't take if you or your family had NTC, MEN2, or allergic to it. Tell your provider if you plan to have surgery or a procedure, are breastfeeding, pregnant, or planning to. Stop taking it. Get medical help right away if you get a lump or swelling in your neck, severe stomach pain, or any of these allergic reactions. Serious side effects may include pancreas inflammation and gallbladder or severe stomach problems. Call your prescriber if you have any of these symptoms. Wegovy may cause low blood sugar in people with diabetes, especially if you take medicines to treat diabetes. Call your prescriber about vision changes. If you
Now, I think I'm supposed to cover it for a little bit.
depression or thoughts of suicide may occur. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, stomach pain, flu or upset, headache, feeling tired, dizzy or bloated, gas, and heartburn. Some side effects lead to dehydration, which may cause kidney problems.
With Wegovy,
I'll lose the weight.
I'm keeping it off.
I'll lower my CV risk. Ask your prescriber about Wegovy.
It's a little bit of free 72-hour not send your old stuff. Clean, effective deodorant isn't a myth, it's native.
Mike had a heart attack a year ago, but he's still living in red with a very high risk of another attack. With his risk factors, his recommended LDL-C level should be below 55. With this, remember to get a free LDL-C test at healthpharmacy.com.
Okay.
I told about one of these 100 times. I planned a new bonus 100x scratch off game. So I took a time machine to multiply the
What is this? What is this?
You again.
What is this?
I multiplied my orders 100 times.
The new bonus X scratch off games from the New York Lottery with prizes up to $5 million. Plus bonus games with extra chance to win cash.
Welcome back. $15,882 in cash and prizes. And Ricky's wife is traveling, so she's not here tonight. But I'm sure she's watching and wishing you the best of luck in this bonus round. Give it a final spin. And what's the winner there? We got a car for $100,000. We got $75,000. It is the end. Let's take a little demo here. So Ricky chose phrase. We're going to give it a R, S, T, L, N, and E. Then an input from you. Take a look. Just 3 more consonants and a vowel. I like G, H, okay. D, and A. All right, we've got some things to show you. Take a good look at it. It is a phrase. You'll have 10 seconds to work it out.
Ooh, that smells so good, guys.
And now going, you're onto it, but going haywire. Where it was going. That was a tough one, and it would have been $15,882, and you are a appreciate it. People thought I could work for it. Then I will be right back after this. Yeah, gone.
Anyways, guys,
Song of Frozen Pina Colada. Do you like this?
that's how the cookie crumbles,
Speaking
baby.
of that song,
We're getting down in the kitchen.
It's called Escape, and I wasn't quite sure what it was about.
Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of
It all works out in the end, but
how I cook and stuff.
if you like
This is something new I'm making. I've never had this before. I mean, not this one in particular, but it looks pretty good. It smells wonderful. I put my own spin on it. I put a little bit of garlic powder, some teriyaki sauce, and soy sauce. And I just stayed away from that sauce that it came with because it seems a little weird. Like, I don't use too much sauce, like sauces, tomato sauce, and stuff like that because it's not good for my stomach. So that's something I stay away from. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. This is almost done. This is going straight to the muscle, baby. Just got back from the gym, baby. Got me an awesome workout. It was short and sweet, but effective. I didn't want to do too much today. Just went light on the gym today. Just taking it easy. I took about a week off from the gym, but now I'm back in. And just giving my body plenty of rest, plenty of time to recover. I've been going in hard, guys. And sometimes I need that time to recover, let my body recoup and recover from all those hard workouts that I've been putting my body through, which is very important, guys. Nutrition, rest, proper rest, days off from the gym so that you let your body recover. That's how you get great results, guys. As you can see, you're starting to see the striations from the chest, the cut. Even six-pack starting to show up a little bit.
10-piece McNuggets. Get any two for just $7. And pair them with an icy cold Sprite.
News gives it to you straight. News that's local to your neighborhood. News that means something to your family. Your stories are us.
News that can change your life. When it comes to trust,
No one delivers like Eyewitness News.
And actually, highway possible flooding, highway totals, previously on World Trend. Come take a look.
Calm down.
Last minute out there.
See you guys on the next video, guys. Stay hard. We're getting this money, baby.
Not bad.
Keep moving forward. We're still looking at our dream, baby. It's not over until we win. Glory be to the Most High God. Stay blessed.